In today's discussion, we delve into enterprise resource planning, ERP, a pivotal process for gaining a comprehensive overview of business activities and resources. Increasingly, companies are turning to specific software applications for this task, as these assist in the resource planning of the entire organization within a single system. These applications may include planning, procurement, inventory, sales, marketing, finance, human resources, and more. An ERP system can be seen as an interface that consolidates various systems of a large organization, facilitating data consolidation, operations, and process improvement. The benefits of an ERP system include time, effort, and cost savings, improved data accuracy, and enhanced information-based decision-making. Generic ERP systems. A generic or horizontal ERP offers flexible functionalities, valid for multiple industries, often with a focus more on accounting and finance than on operations. These systems tend to be less expensive as the range of functions they offer is very limited, and they often require modifications and integrations to be valuable in specific industries. Examples of generic ERPs include Odoo, Oracle ERP Cloud, Acumatica, Biz Automation SAP S/4HANA, Oracle NetSuite. Industry-specific ERP systems. In contrast, industry-specific or vertical ERPs focus on particular industries, and while implementing accounting and finance systems like generic ERPs, also add functionalities and capabilities tailored to certain industries. Examples of specific ERPs include Infor CloudSuite Industrial, Spiro, Abus, Solmicro, Econ Ada Computer, Infor Manufacturing, Allscripts Health, Penta Construction, Adaxa Suite, Textiles, Government, Retail, Banking, Chemicals. Differences. The most notable differences between the two types of ERP are as follows. 1. Generic ERP often needs customization. 2. Specific ERP usually requires fewer customizations. 3. Functionalities. Generic solutions are used regardless of the industry, while specific systems offer competitive advantages. 4. Industry knowledge. Providers of generic ERPs usually have low industry knowledge, whereas providers of specific ERPs often have high industry knowledge. Econ Production versus Odoo. In this case, we compare a vertical ERP like Econ Production with a horizontal one like Odoo, formerly known as OpenRP. Econ Production is an industrial commercial software for manufacturing companies that offers some parameterization to suit companies in the sector, facilitating the comprehensive management of the production plant, improving costs, deadlines, and quality. It enables the management of manufacturing processes by calculating factors and incidents and improving communication between different sections of the factory. Econ Production is pre-configured for the following subsectors of manufacturing: food industry, chemicals, ceramics, electrical materials and equipment, industrial materials and equipment. The prices of Econ are not public, and customizations and updates are paid for, which would increase the cost of using the ERP. Odoo, on the other hand, is open-source software aimed at any type of user, from sole proprietorships to large companies. It integrates several applications and modules, such as CRM, sales, inventory, project management, financial management, HR or marketing tools, among others. Odoo is positioned as one of the most advantageous options for SMEs due to its price and ease of use. When compared with other ERPs on the market, Odoo outperforms many of its rivals. One of the advantages of Odoo is customization, as it has partners who can adapt it to any need and industry. Finally, we analyze the main differences and characteristics of these two ERPs. 1. Econ Industrial, yes. 2. Odoo, yes. 3. Budgeting, yes. 4. Change Simulation, yes. Econ, no. Odoo. 5. Purchase Management, yes. 6. Logistics, yes. 7. Resource Control, yes. 8. KPI Tracking, yes. 9. Purchasing, yes. 10. Plant Planning, yes. Econ, no. Odoo. 11. Document Management, yes. 12. Management with External Workshops, yes. Econ, no. Odoo. 13. Manufacturing Orders, yes. Econ, no. Odoo. 14. Analytics and Data. Visualization, yes. 15. Cloud, yes. In conclusion, despite Odoo possessing all the generic functionalities of most companies, it lacks those specific modules for manufacturing companies. Econ, on the other hand, is perceived as less flexible than Odoo, but its specialization and knowledge of the manufacturing business environment make it a clear candidate for these types of companies.